Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can start earning money from PayHip, a platform that makes it easy to sell digital products. Stay tuned as we go step by step through how you can get your PayHip store all set up to start making you some money today. First, let's talk about what PayHip is. It is an online platform where you can upload your digital products to sell to your customers directly. Other than this, there is no listing fee as compared to other marketplaces or online platforms. You can upload as many products as you want since the cost will not bother you. You can sell a wide range of digital products on PayHip, such as ebooks, online courses, memberships, and even software. If you're in possession of some beautiful, brilliant brain knowledge or skills that others would pay to attain, PayHip might be the right place for you. Great, so now let's move into setting up your PayHip store. The first thing you're going to want to do is create an account. Go to payhip.com. Once the website open, enter your email address and click the button Get Started for free. Now enter your first name, last name, and enter a strong password. Once you're logged in, it will take you to the screen. Now enter your store name and also choose a username. Make sure the username must be unique. Once it's complete, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. The first thing you want to do is set up your store details. Click Account. Fill out your personal and payment info. This is extremely important because this is how you get paid when you make sales. Now let's add your first product. Scroll down and click Add your first product. You can choose between digital product and physical product, but we are going to talk only about digital products today. I am going with a digital book in PDF form. Click Upload Product File, choose the product file. Then choose a title for your product. Enter the suitable price of your product. Don't forget to add the product image. Sometimes a great-looking visual can change everything as it attracts the customer. Make the description good and highlight the benefit your product brings to clients. You can generate the description from ChatGPT. Make sure the product is visible to everyone. After that, click on Advanced option and then select the checkpoint. Now click on Add Product and you can successfully add your first product. After that, you can start customizing your store. Click on Customize Design. PayHip allows creating a simple yet effective storefront. You could add your logo, choose your brand colors, and much more. You can explore this section on your own. Do a comment if you want step-by-step tutorial on store setup. You can even attach a custom domain if you have one. This will help you build that professional look and trust with your customers. You can buy a domain from Hostinger. Once you complete the store setup and your product is now out there in the world for all to see, how do you actually get people to buy it? Well, this is where your marketing comes in. Here are a few ways to promote your store on PayHip. Share your store and products on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Post them in social media groups relevant to your product or service. Make a newsletter to inform your email list subscribers that you have launched a new product. You could give them some incentives for purchase, like a discount or special promotion. And that's it. Now you know how to start earning money from PayHip. Whether you're selling ebooks, courses, or any other digital product, PayHip makes it easy to set up shop and start making sales. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.